first time, astronomers from the Paris Institute of Astrophysics have detected a swarm of black holes crowding the core of a dense globular cluster named NGC 6397. A globular cluster is a densely packed collection of ancient stars, and NGC 6397 is just one of more than 150 known to exist within the Milky Way galaxy. The enormous cosmic structure contains around 400,000 stars, most of which are tightly bound by gravity and populate the center. It is located around 7,800 light-years away and is one of the closest to Earth, making it one of the easiest to study. Astronomers studying NGC 6397 originally thought that at the center of this massive star cluster lurked the elusive and long sought-after intermediate mass black hole. This type of black hole is thought of as the missing link between the already known supermassive black hole, which can be found at the heart of most large galaxies, and the smaller stellar black hole, which are the remains of collapsed massive stars. Although the existence of intermediate mass black holes is widely debated, a few candidates have been identified, and the center of NGC 6397 was thought of as an ideal target. But when astronomers looked for this elusive object, they were surprised to find not one, but more than 20 stellar black holes instead. Because black holes cannot be observed directly, astronomers used the Hubble Space Telescope and the Gaia Space Observatory to peer inside of the globular cluster and measure how the stars were moving, because the more mass at one location, the faster stars travel around it. Over several years of observing the tiny movements made by the tightly packed stars, astronomers were able to calculate the distribution of mass within the center. But like mass affecting the stars around it, which would be expected for a single, solitary, intermediate mass black hole, they found a mass that appeared to be spread more randomly, suggesting that stars near the center of NGC 6397 were being affected by a concentration of stellar corpses, including white dwarfs and neutron stars, but mainly multiple stellar black holes. Researchers conclude of at least 20 black holes must have progressively sank to the center of the globular cluster after gravitational interactions with nearby, less massive stars.
While he may look comical with his strange long nose, the assassin bug is no laughing matter. This freak has the ability to literally liquefy his prey. His red color is not just for show. It's a warning to other predators. With antennae as long as his body, he sniffs out his next meal. And his needle-like beak can inflict a painful sting. Once a tasty meal has been targeted, the silent assassin grabs hold. Once he finds a soft spot, he stabs his blade-like proboscis into his victim. Within seconds, the prey is paralyzed and its insides begin to dissolve. The proboscis pierces the victim's gut, injecting a lethal cocktail of enzymes and digestive juices. This venomous saline in its path, turning the cells into soup. Once the bug puree is ready, the assassin slurps it all up back through his deadly straw. Most bugs that feed this way have two separate tubes, one for injecting and one for sucking. But the assassin's beak acts as both syringe and siphon, which allows it to target large prey twice its own size.